Jijo and Bebo. Jijo is a puppet. He is made of wood. He has arms and legs, and hands and feet. He has black hair and brown eyes. There are strings on his arms and legs and also on his hands and feet. Bebo is a puppet too. Bebo is a puppet too, but she is made of wool. She has arms and hands, but she does not have legs and feet. She does not have any strings. Children like to play with Jijo. They pull his strings and he moves his arms and legs and his hands and feet. They cannot move his eyes or his ears. They cannot move his nose or his mouth. Children like to play with Bebo too. They can put their fingers on her hands and make them move. They can make Jijo and Bebo tell us stories. 다하래 지 다링아 주디 타마드 차데라 단다 이 grammar 라 enjoying grammar 당보디 타마드 차데 이 좀 춘지티 다카르라나 지조다 베보레스 타고니 미니 바시라 타고니 카레도 술도 때라 카르도 Jijo is a puppet. Jijo di surlana puppet shigres. Puppet lana the injilung bado the nina chida homsa. Jikshingi social gyoto the digis gyoto la ani takotache ani uyotan ra. Gangla michi gyotan shade up gyoto da kijishi gyoto da the ditch so the jilla puppet le ra. Puppet res Jijo. Ani ko he is made of wood ra. Koran khari is soshagulana shingi soshagures. He has arms and legs. Koran la ani lakbara lakbada kangba yures. Da lakba led lakba diram yaj arm led this gand khula the kangala khus ra arms led. Then hands and feet. The hands and feet led hand lakba led diram khurans lakbara. Feet led the kang ded lakhura. He has black hair and brown eyes. Quran la ani tanak poda midunzo ani color brown yula the country lagina. Jamulay mido. Kotsunda dindi dochla kura. This dindi nuts to the did turn shing to the brown beira. There are strings on his arms and legs, and also on his hands and feet. The next strings lana takpado la kura, the takparang la meajira, takpala de zama rope rochadura, this takpalism bomboruch. Kubado la coach strings lady, kubarang, strings lady, tasador la kura, tasala. Then did a peshan zoye, shetan, guitar, damned zola hare, takwach leader, kubash leader, dilla, and the strings leader. They did it long, chick tasador than did la strings stage. Chidan kubala comachra. The digit yores karla yore koragi lakpakta bungbada kangbagi kangkasa kangbachida karsa di kangbachira denya koran kangde da lakpale tush karsa tusheres doadel delji jilit delchi ane kangbala chik kangdel chik ra. Then Bebo is a puppet too. Bebo yang puppet shires. But she is made of wool. The morang kane secure and the peli secures. The pay mambuj dinalo tika toloro na luce mambuji jukshen tonda the dito chida hashi. The ditches. She has arms and hands. Morang la ani ta lakpai pumbada lakpai la de yures. But she does not have legs and feet. Quran la kangba da kangde yo marves ra ta wala ka ta chi tolo to chi ka ra. She does not have any strings. And Quran la ni ta sa ke kuwa ro yo ra tin ri chi yo marves. Children like to play with Jijo. Pugo junzo na Jijo nyamdala na tse la ga wo yores. They pull his strings and he moves his arms and legs and his hands and feet. 아니 콘조기 딱 부은줄로 거라 콘조기 코란다 딱 구버데 텐체라 아니 코카르치레 코구겼단 거래서 코란이 붐바다 강대다 라고든지로 구겼단 거래서 they cannot move his eyes or his ears 근데 이네 부은줄 가리 구겼단 도마레 거기 미다 아니 암조든지 구겼단 도마레스 they cannot move his nose or his mouth 아니 콘조기 가리 디 가서 구겼단 도마레 거기 미 가서 나우다 카든지 구겼단 도마레스 children like to play with bebo also 부은주 베보냠도양 좀 제가 보여레스 they can put their fingers on her hands and make them move 콘조기 고란시기 좀좀모든지라 fingers나 좀모든지 거기 라과디간샤 모라기 라데관다 샤체 구교당수그레스 라타 간즈 라과 주체 파스 티치로아 구교당이죠 they can make Jijo and Bebo tell us stories 콘조기 가르치 돌라나 지조 다 베보니가 피지치치야 가래 만절라 둠시 토레스 다 부근지 시다 라과도유 딘디로 계시시 고란스 카나르 계시시 둠두시 해주라 딘디 둠시 토레스 만절라 The next exercise 1D answer these questions ra tiwa khala lent shows what is Jijo made of and the lent chaga chisa to Jijo khari so shakures Jijo is made of wood ba which part of Jijo can children move which part lana chashi khagi ra sugi Jijo ki chashi khagi buunzogi gogyotang thures Jijo can move his arms and legs comma ra dine dimba khasa hands and feet ra dine Jesus and also ledra nilana ditara Jijo can move his arms and feet also his hands and feet ra how do children make Bebo's hands move 부부들이 countries 아니 베보기 lakpanzo 고교당 투그레스 고교당 주그레스 라 코란스 데라다 they can put their fingers on her hands and make them move 콘저기 the 베보기 lakpagan 주문즈 샤체 고교당 투그레라와 so 같이게 the children make Bebo's hand move by putting their fingers on her hands ra putting that dikho chatsi do the musician ro na gitu ra putting pttring ra putting their fingers on her hands tene khane thore children ra children make Bebo's hands move by putting their fingers on her hands what can the children make the puppets do 부부들이 아니 puppets nuzula 가르치주레스 the children can make the puppets to tell us stories 라 한줄라 둠시투토레스 라 the children can make the puppets to tell us stories 한줄라 둠시주엘라 치주토레스 The next exercise to the write two naming words and two special names from the story. Ra naming words na chidangi min karine ra shingcha karine de samcha de ra. The next special names la the proper noun cha de ra misegi mi ni tishoas ni tishoas dumden ra. The next exercise somebody match the word in column A with its meaning in column B by drawing a line. match lana tunde chisho sikare column lana duschi ya ma yukudra riumi de ma yukud column A column B dene pa yukudla row lera row thangbo row ni ba row sumba column la de ma dwedra so hare column A na yukudi da column B na yukuni tusho as korani karjem ba yedra da die karigi tyogore drawing a line teach tenchera teach da puppet dikare puppet the doll reve a kind of cloth reve thread la na kugo imba puppet di khare ko doll na chikmi susha kyo gig mi da wada shingi mi na khare de dijro ko disti the strings la na khare ko kuwa chate ra thread ra wool le de khare a kind of cloth to kologi rishi ra ko ra de dis ko ti the dang